So listen, when I make it to this little piece, this is the light at the end of the tunnel, okay? I'm happy that my hair is growing, but the only thing is that I got my ends trimmed and I'm having a hard time with them staying in my twists. So I completely understand when braiders are like, oh, I cannot deal with it when people get their hair cut and then want to get braids. Because yeah, it is what it is. I don't care. This is just a protective style, so I can give myself a break from doing my hair. And then let's go ahead and twist this back. And I'm using the invisible knot method to add my hair. Is this my invisible knot? Meaning I twist in the direction I plan on twisting. So I'm going forward. And then I also twist this one in the same direction. And then I start my twists. Okay. And I like to do a little clip at the base just to keep it from constantly rotating and making it super tight at my roots. So hopefully I click fast forward on my video to get to the end of this. See, there is. For the after. This took me, it's 9 o'clock. I started at 4 and I took a break to eat. So this takes me about 4 hours to do, to be honest. This takes me about 4 hours to get done. So time to go dip it. Let's talk about what I used, okay? So this is what I do when I'm protective styling. I try to go with something simple, something easy to do, something I can get done in a reasonable amount of time. And I washed my hair with this. This is Eliza Becca's CER 100, the shampoo and treatment rinse. After I did both of those products, I did this for some hair strength, knowing that I would be putting it up into the style. I use this on my hair after washing, which is this little product. I feel like this went viral on TikTok a while back, but I tried this product for the first time. I need you. I kind of want to use this and then blow my hair straight and flat iron it to see what it does. But so far so good with this. Added this, which is Eliza Becca's their CER 100 Essence Hair Oil. So I will say before I wash my hair, I did a treatment. I did what I've been doing lately, which is oil, a hot oil treatment, and I did an amla mask. I used Curly Proverbs, her amla, and did a mask. I basically just added water and hair oil to it. I have my own hair mixture concoction over here. I have it sitting up here in a jar. I don't feel like picking it up, but I put it in this and then squeeze it into a bottle. And I put that all over my hair, but then I also added to the hair mask. But I put this on my scalp. And this is, I have to keep it in a jar because honey, it's garlic. Okay. This is Curly Proverbs, her peppermint and garlic. Oh God, the smell of it is so strong. Jesus, put it back in the bottle, back in the jar, back in the jar, back in the jar. But garlic is fantastic because of the sulfur. It promotes hair growth. Okay, so I put that. I took some oil out of this and dropped this in there and put it on my scalp and massaged it in. And with the mask on my hair, I put a heat cap on for like 30 to 45 minutes. I just was relaxing and let that sit. And then I went in to wash my hair with my products. And then I came in here and started to pre-part my hair. Now, this is what I used for this, the slick down. And what I will use following for the days to come, I will spritz my hair with this. This is another one of Eliza Becca's products, CER products, which is their collagen coating hair muscle spray. I just kind of spritz this all over. I'll do hair oil on my scalp. I'll do massage on my scalp with my scalp massager. A lot of the stuff I put in my showcase in case anybody's interested, in case they're like, oh my God, I want to try that. I also have a lot of the stuff in my Amazon store for anybody who's looking. I try to categorize things. So if you're like, I love how is her face so clear? What is she using for hyperpigmentation? I have a hyperpigmentation like section, I guess you will, in my Amazon store, so you can see stuff that I've tried that I find that works. So I also have things for hair that's there. So this is my hair for the next few weeks. Until next time.